Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Despite a reduction in road fatalities since the start of the year, the authorities are calling for strict adherence to traffic laws and safer driving practices. The latest call comes from the National Road Safety Council.
Since the start of the year, 26 people have been killed in 20 fatal crashes. This represents a 26% reduction in fatalities and a 38% decline in fatal crashes when compared to the same period in 2025. Vice President of the National Road Safety Council, Dr. Lucian Jones, welcomes the development.
Especially when you consider that last year's figures exceeded the one before, thus breaking a downward trend which began in 2023. And it's important to note that any decline in the figures translates into precious lives saved, families spared the grief and pain of losing their loved ones, caused by the second leading cause of violent death in Jamaica, murder being the first.
The data shows private motor vehicle users remain most at risk. Passengers account for 38% of all deaths, while drivers make up 27%. Motorcyclists, pedestrians, and pedal cyclists, collectively known as vulnerable road users, account for 35% of fatalities. Notably, there have been no fatalities recorded among public passenger vehicle users, commercial drivers, or government vehicle operators since the start of the year. However, Dr. Jones issued this caution while calling for a coordinated national response to sustain the gains.
What this means is that in the same way the entire country has been mobilized to successfully drive down the awful and unsustainable in a civilized society murder rate, in like manner, because of the devastating effects on our national development, all hands need to be on deck to reduce and on a sustained basis drive down road fatalities and injuries.
Meanwhile, Director General of Road Traffic at the ITA, Colonel Daniel Price, is urging Jamaicans to take collective responsibility for road safety, noting that every statistic represents a family in mourning. Deidre Thomas, TVJ News.